In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can look and show your archive tasks in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select the project that has the tasks that are archived. So, how can we show those archived tasks? For example, as you can see, I currently have one task that you can see, but I actually have two more tasks that is archived. So how can we see those two tasks? To do that, we're going to click right here on filter, and then we're going to click on archive. This would let us see all the archive tasks that we have. And as you can see now, I have two more additional tasks which are archived. So we can also undo this archive by selecting right here and then click on unarchive. And as easy as that, you can see and unarchive this task. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.